Hello my dear students, today we are going to discussing the topic pressure exerted by liquids. So pressure in liquids, unlike solids, liquids do not have a definite shape. Thus the area of cross section of liquid is likely to change with the change in shape of the vessel. In your textbook, there is given one investigation. That investigation proves that the pressure exerted by a liquid is directly proportional to the height of liquid. Okay, so just read that investigation, and the and we can conclude that the pressure exerted by the liquid is directly proportional to the density also. Okay, so the liquid pressure that exerted by the liquid is directly proportional to the height of the liquid and the density of the liquid. The pressure exerted by the liquid at its base is given by the expressions word, that is P. HdG. So where P is the pressure exerted by the liquid and D is the density, that you know that, and H is the height or depth, and G is that's the acceleration due to gravity. And the next topic is lateral pressure. So what is lateral pressure? The pressure exerted by the fluids on the side of containing vessels is called what? Lateral pressure. Okay. And you know the walls of the dams are made very thick at the base so that they can withstand very large lateral pressure. Okay. So the pressure in fluid is directly proportional to its height or depth. Pressure in a fluid is directly proportional to the density, and pressure in fluid is directly proportional to the acceleration due to gravity, and pressure in fluid independent of the area of cross section. Okay. Yes. So next, liquids that seek their bond levels. How this occur? So take 5 tubes of various shapes which are connected to each other by horizontal pipe. Okay. Fix the apparatus in vertical position and pour water through any one of the vertical tubes. It is seen that the level of water is same in all tubes. Thus, the experiment proves that what the liquid seeks their bond level. Okay. This fact is utilized in the supplying water to a locality. The storage tank is made at a higher level than the building ground. The water flowing from this tank try to seek its level and hence rises up through the pipe fitted in each buildings. Okay. The next is liquid pressure in closed vessel. How the liquid apply the pressure on closed vessel? Okay, take 1 Pascal apparatus and it consists of glass tube, glass bulb having a number of hole and provided with a long tube like neck fitted with an airtight piston. Okay, and place the bulb in a beaker containing water and pull the piston upwards so that water fills the bulb up to neck of the glass bulb. Take out the apparatus from the water and push the piston inward. What will observe that water flows out the holes in the direction with the undiminished force. The above facts observed and explained by French physicist Blaise Pascal and is commonly known as Pascal laws, that we already discussed this Pascal unit. So what is Pascal's law? It states that when pressure is applied to any part of an enclosed liquid, it is transmitted equally in all directions with undiminished force and acts at the right angles to the consequence of vessels. Okay, and next we are going to discussing the consequence of pressure in liquids. What are the consequences of pressure in liquids? Yes, it has been found that when deep sea fishes are brought up to the surface, their bodies burst. It is because the blood in their bodies flows at a very high pressure. However, when these fishes are brought to the surface, the pressure outside suddenly decreases. This difference in pressure burns open their bodies. And deep sea divers have to wear specially designed suits. Why? Other ways, the huge pressure of water will crush their bodies. Okay, and the hull of submarines are specially strengthened to bear huge pressure of the sea water. And next is the walls of the dams are specially thickened from the base so as to withstand huge pressure. So these are some consequences of pressure in liquids. Okay, thank you.